Question 4. The rate of decay of the mass of a particular substance is modeled by the differential equation dx dt equals minus 5 over 2x, t is greater than or equal to 0, where x is the mass of the substance measured in grams and t is the time measured in days. Given that x equals 60 when t equals 0, part A says solve the differential equation given x in terms of t. You should show all steps in your working and give your answer in its simplest form. We begin by moving x to the other side by dividing by x, so we will get 1 over x dx dt equals minus 5 over 2. We then integrate both sides with respect to t. The dt's cancel out, so we're left with this. The integral of 1 over x dx is ln x, and the integral of minus 5 over 2 is minus 5 over 2t, plus the constant of integration. We are given that x equals 60 when t is 0, so subbing those values in we get ln 60 equals minus 5 over 2 times 0 plus c. This becomes 0, so c equals ln 60. Therefore the equation we have is ln x equals minus 5 over 2t plus ln 60. Taking the exponential of both sides gives us e to the power of ln x equals e to the power of minus 5 over 2t plus ln 60. Remembering the rules of indices that states x to the power of m times x to the power of n equals x to the power of m plus n. Using this rule, we work backwards to split this side up into e to the power of minus 5 over 2t times e to the power of ln 60. We know that exponentials and ln's, so exponentials and logs, are the inverse of each other. So if we take e to the power of ln x, e's and ln's cancel to give x, and e and ln cancels to give us just 60. So our final answer is x equals 60 e to the power of minus 5 over 2t. Part B of the question says, find the time taken for the mass of the substance to decay from 60 grams to 20 grams. Give your answer to the nearest minute. 60 grams was the value we had for x when t equals 0. So to answer this question, all we need to do is sub in x equals 20 and rearrange to solve for t. So we have 20 equals 60 times e to the minus 5 over 2t. Divide both sides by 60 to get 20 over 60, which is a third. So we have a third equals e to the minus 5 over 2t. We can take ln of both sides. Remember, ln and e's are the inverse of each other. Just like we had e to the ln cancelled out, so ln and e cancels out here to give us just minus 5 over 2t. Finally, to get t, we divide by minus 5 over 2. So t equals minus 2 over 5 ln 1/3, which is 0.439 days. Multiplying this by 24 will give you the hours, and then times them by 60 will give you 632.8, which is 633 minutes, rounded to the nearest minute.